It's the beginning. What does that mean? Mark Zuckerberg is rebranding, repurposing, and changing Facebook. As you can see, you probably heard this announcement. They're working on something big. You know that Mark Zuckerberg, and if you didn't know, Mark Zuckerberg owns Oculus, which is a virtual reality platform. Now, he's doing a whole rebranding of Facebook, and now what he's doing is creating a metaverse. A metaverse for the world of Facebook. Now, he's spending a lot of time, energy, and information capital on making that transition. As you can see over here, the company's divisions focused on products for communities, creators, commerce, and virtual reality. So I was in online online e-commerce, and I used to sell on Shopify. And one of the, I would say, guru or someone that's doing very well in the business, killing it, 7 figures. He said the future of e-commerce is shopping online virtually. So instead of going to the store, you'll be able to shop virtually. And that was about a couple of years ago, maybe 2 years ago. Now it is being developed, not only for shopping, but a whole new world, a metaverse. What does this mean for the NFT space? Because primarily in this channel, I talk a lot about NFTs, and I try to keep it strictly for NFTs. I don't want to confuse, complicate with the cryptocurrency, but if you guys want me to talk about that, I can also talk about that if you leave it in a comment. But as far as for now, I just like to keep everything primarily on NFT. And what does this mean for NFT? You see, you probably heard also that Coinbase is developing their own NFT platform. Now, not just Coinbase, there's a new company, not a new company, but another company that is working, and they want to develop their own NFT platform, which is Reddit. So you see, the mass adoption is happening. It's beginning. And what I always say is NFTs, crypto, this whole market is time sensitive. Right now, Shiba is pumping because of what's going on in the market. And nobody really can predict where the market is going, what's going to happen in the future. But there's one thing I know for sure. The mass adoption is happening, and people are taking advantage of the opportunity. You see, Reddit is now creating their own NFT platform. Solana has their own NFT platform. Immutable X, which is the second layer of Ethereum, has their own platform. It is partnering with TikTok. And one of the things that is going on right now is the fact that people are now getting familiar. Big companies, right? Visa bought CryptoPunk. Visa bought, Steph Curry bought uh, Bored Ape Yacht Club. So big corporations, VCs, big companies are integrating this space of NFT, the whole world of NFT, into what they're doing. And as it's starting to get momentum, what you need to do is you need to be ahead of the curve. Imagine buying Bitcoin in 2012 or 2010. You're ahead of the curve. Imagine yourself learning about NFTs or CryptoPunks when it first minted. Now, this whole NFT platform is exploding, and there's a lot of companies that are creating their platforms, which they see a big opportunity in it. If you see big corporations, big companies starting to work on their platforms, Shaq is releasing his own NFT collection. Trey Songz is releasing his own NFT collections. More and more celebrities, influencers, athletes are creating and releasing their own NFT platforms. So this is just a message for you to be aware, to get ahead of the world. Remember, we want to be 2 steps ahead of the competition. It's like chess. We want to be able to know their move before they make it. Get them into a checkmate. I play chess, so if you're a fan, click, put a thumbs up. But here's another big news for you. Okay. Here is a sneak peek on what we're working on. NFT profile verification. All right, September 29th. I think it's already in play. But listen, basically, you're going to be able to verify your photos and connect your wallet, and you can interchange. I think it's already released, but I just wanted to pull this up to show you. Right, you'll be able to pick which one you want and make that as your NFT profile. Now, you see, having an NFT profile is going to have some weight on it. Why? Because it shows status. It shows a symbol. Do you know who Jay-Z is? Probably. Mr. Carter. Alright, Hova. So as you can see, he has an NFT profile. Now, Gary Vee made an interesting comment. He said that the virtual world is more important than the real world when it comes to showing off your flex. Because basically this is a flex, right? When you have an art, it's a flex. When you drive $1 million car, it's a flex. When you go to have your own private jet, it's a flex, right? And people want to show off. So Gary Vee said, instead of having, or the world of virtual reality is going to be more important because of people are going to be seeing your virtual things in your virtual house or your virtual wallet, in your wallet. But not many people can see the stuff that you have inside your house. Your $1 million painting, your $1 million watch, your $1 million car. Not everybody can see that. But a lot of people are going to see what's in your wallet or your digital world. So, what does that mean? People want to be a part of a club, and that's what this NFT. One of the things that NFT does is it puts you in a category, puts you in a club, in a community. And if you study humans, we love to be in a community. Now, what you have to do is find the blue chips, the blue chip NFTs. That's hard to distinguish. CryptoPunks is a blue chip. Bored Ape Yacht Club is a blue chip. One of the other blue chip, my prediction is based on how active the community is, what they're doing. Dodge Pound is going to be a blue chip. So if you can get your hands on some Dodge Pound, I suggest you do that because it's going to be a blue chip project. Now there's other ones that it's hard to predict. It's hard to predict which ones are going to be a blue chip because there's projects where they promise a lot of things in their roadmap and they fail to deliver. And who would have guessed that Dodge Pound is going to be becoming like this? Ooh. Right now, the floor for Dodge Pound is above 3 ETH. Now, this is just the beginning. And there's different types of NFTs. There's different types of NFT sets that can do, that have many utilities. But what you need to do is you need to do your research, find the hidden gems, because who knows, those can be a very, very good project. But nonetheless, we're entering a new world of a metaverse, virtual reality, a virtual world. I was told that the future could be, it's a prediction that you're going to have an online world and you're going to have your own online asset. And what you can do is you hold that space and you can advertise in that space. And you can charge people for advertising. If that is true, then better buy some land. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on, what's going to happen, and what this means for the NFT world, NFT universe, more importantly, what it means for you. I'm sharing this information because I want you to succeed. I'm not here to sell nothing. I'm not here to pump and dump on you guys. I'm just here to give you some news and give you information that's going to increase your bank account. All right, if you act upon it, but stay tuned for more amazing content. But what I need you to do is subscribe, like, comment, and I've also put up other videos watch those videos. If you're new to this space, watch those videos. If you're new to this world, watch those videos because there's an introduction, a how tutorial, and basic fundamentals in terms of what to look for, what NFTs are, how to get into projects. But that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for more amazing content. Comment, subscribe, like. See you, and peace.